Hi, this is Marlon Magdalena, Instructional Coordinator for Jemez Historic Site. This is a brief video on how to make this tiny little whistle using common household items. And each picture in this video corresponds to each of the steps that goes along in making this tiny little whistle. This is what it sounds like. And if you make it right, you can also play it from the other side. Alright? And I hope you enjoy making this tiny little whistle. Just be careful. If you're one of the younger kids, make sure you have your parents supervise, and because you do have to use a knife in order to make this tiny little whistle. So be careful and have fun making this whistle.